Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a bunch of stuff we're gonna do to the M3. I don't know how much if I'm gonna get done because there's a few things I want to do, but I don't know if the video is gonna be too long. So I want to do some work under the hood. Want to put some spacers on. I also want to put some exhaust tips on there because the ones on there they're very disappointing for an M3. But we're gonna take care of that, and trust me, it's gonna look good. But since I got so much to do, let's get started. The color we're using was matched to the caliper, but as you can see, it's gonna take a while to get full coverage. So we did get 2.5 cans, so let's hope that's enough. But I'll bring you back and show you when we're almost done, because he's gonna have to put a few coats on just to get full coverage because the black is still coming through. So when we get to that stage, and I'll come back and show you Mr. Man here is gonna keep doing his thing. He's good at it. Freaking guy's always putting his fat head in the way. It's looking good already, I'm telling you. And that's just the first coat. Gonna put a few coats on there just to make sure. Now it's time to do all the black accent piece. And Mr. Rattlecan over there he just likes shaking stuff. Yeah, keep shaking. So now it's just time to do all the pieces that the air filter goes in, and the badge over there. So they're all primered. This is plastic, so I already put the stuff. What is it called again, Frank?
Adhesion promoter.
Adhesion promoter on there too, so the paint could stick properly on the plastic. Those are primed, and now we're just gonna do them up black. Well, I did record me, putting some of the stuff back together, but guess what? The battery was in the mic. Son of a. Well, now it's time to put this thing back on. So let me see if I remember how to do this. See that nice V8 sign right there? Well, I did have the M badge to go with it, but if you can see, some of the red is missing. You know why? So I sanded it down. I was getting ready to tape it up, and all I did was use some degreaser to wipe it, and look at it. Now this is original from BMW. This costs 90 bucks, and I can wipe it off with degreaser. The knockoff one has a gel over it, so you can't wipe it off with degreaser. Just imagine that. Now that's on, I just have to put the pipe on. Actually, I gotta tighten all those first, and then I'm gonna come back and put the box in here. Well, before I show you under the hood, there's one more mod we have to do. So this car come with 4 tips, as you know, but they're tiny ass tips. So we went above and beyond. We got some 4-inch tips, so that's 4-inch tips, so that's 16 inches of tips, because those factory ones just wasn't cutting it for an M3. It's lowered nice paint job, nice interior, under the hood looks damn good. Now we just gotta work on the rear end. So let me stop talking, and I'm gonna show you what the little tip looks like, and then we're gonna get the new ones put on, and then it's gonna look like an M3. But we still have some more work to do before the car show, but we are going to a car show at the end of the month. Me, him, and the other Frank, we're all going to a car show. But before that, let me show you what the factory tip looks like and what the new ones are gonna be. These are the tiny little, I don't know, what is this, 2-inch exhaust that they got on there. Well, I hope the other one fit, because man, they are big, but these are the little ones we got on here. Now let me give you a picture of the one we're going to use. When I got these, they were chrome, and I powder coated them black, and man, they look good. Let me see if I can get a better, oh, look at the shine on this bastard. But look at the size difference. I hope you guys are getting a good view here, because it's hard to hold the camera and do everything yourself. But so apparently these are MagnaFlow exhaust that the person before had it on there. He doesn't want it any louder, so he's gonna keep the MagnaFlow on there, and we're just gonna work with it from here. So remember, this is how it looks. We're gonna see what it looks like when we're done. Oh, doesn't she look weird? Not for long. Check out the size difference. A lot tinier. Damn, boy. And it's almost there. Just look at that beast now. It is big. That's what she said. See, he laughed. That means I'm kind of funny. Look at this. This man is even painting it up black. Like, wow, this is what you call service. With a smile. This is one of their cars at the shop. Just look at this bad boy here. Yikes. These boys aren't messing around down here. I gotta find out how much this thing pushes. Wow. I know it doesn't look like it from here, but we did get some 10mm spacers all around. The camera don't really show it. It makes it look really flush, but it's not. There's the back here, we're gonna put a 10mm on, but the front, it's the same thing. And the front, yeah, the camera don't really do it justice. Maybe when I put it on, you can see the difference. But we do have 10mm we're gonna put on the front and the back, and you know, make them tuck a lot more. All right, so let's see what they look like. So we got the spacers here. How the hell do you pronounce that? Match. Hey Frank, how do you pronounce this shit?
Match Chanel.
You sure about that one?
Yeah, look, it says it there in English.
Okay, don't bite your tongue, eh?
No. I didn't say you smell, I said match.
Oh, hey now, wait a minute. So we got a 10mm for the front, 10mm for the rear, and it comes with all the bolts for it too, so we don't have to get bolts. It's a full kit, so we have everything. I'm gonna jack the car up and throw them on and see how much of a difference it makes. Out of my camera, asshole.
Oh, is it running?
Yes, it's running.
Oh, I didn't even know it was running. Sorry. Sorry, people. Never make me meant to see the rear end, you know?
No, I'm just going to clean this up, put some anti-seize on there so nothing seized on. Because, you know, we like everything nice and loose. Right, Frank?
No. I don't like when it's too loose. Oh, you're talking about the rim? Oh, okay.
I don't know what else you're talking about.
My mind went elsewhere.
Yeah, no shit.
You know what it's like. It always tends to get X-rated.
Yeah, freaking old people.
Yeah, that's what happens. Your mind gets to the gutter when you get old.
And now, we'll put the wheels on and hope it fits. Hey Frank, pass me that number 7. Pass me that 17 there, please. Moment of truth. Oh wow, look at that. Now that's what you call fitment. Wait till it settles. And the front, oh my lord. I'll wait till it settles and I give you guys a good shot of it. But man, it looks good from here. Man, that's what you call fitment. Look at that. Huh? Oh man, no rubbing, no issues, nothing. Now let's take a look at the front. Same thing with the front, just look at that. It just fits so right. Like I said, we gotta give this a good cleaning, but man, look at this thing. This is wicked. I was gonna do a nice engine shampoo, but I don't want to get dirty yet, so I'm gonna wait till the end of the month when we're going to the car show and then we do a nice cleaning. But just look at this thing. And I'm hoping that other piece comes before, because there's a V8. But man, look at it. Everything is nice and glossy. Look at that. And it's all about the details. Look at that. She is, hey, it might not be for everyone, but guess what? He likes it. I like it. The other Frank like it. A lot of other people like it because it looks damn good. So This is under the hood. Now let me show you what the new tips look like. Look at these massive babies. Oh man, just look at it. It's kind of dark, there's not much sun out today, but that fitment is good. So these were done at Nas Boys in Scarborough, and I'm gonna bring the X5 to them. I'm gonna bring the M5 to them because just look how neat that was. Man, I just hope this picks it up really good. It's kind of dark out, but they do a really good job. They did a really good job on it. They make sure they're all nice and even. They're not sticking out too far. So a lot of things got done in this video. We did the exhaust tip, we did the spacers, we did under the hood. That's a lot of stuff for one video. That's 3 videos I gave her right there, but it would have been short videos, so I decided to put them all in one. And I can't wait to wash this car, shine it up nice, and get ready for the show on Sunday. So that's it for now. So remember, my car still have to be done, the X5 still have to be done, and there's another car coming to the channel again. Whew. I don't know where I'm gonna get time to do all this shit. But remember to check the link below for the spacers, and I don't think I have a link for the tip, but if I do, I'll put it in there. But the spacers, ECS Tuning, check out the link. Click on it if you want to get anything from ECS Tuning and help support the channel. But that's it for now, so laters.